How to draw tickets and solo leveling arise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most out of your summon tickets and solo leveling arise. So when using tickets, prioritize summoning characters first so you can focus on these four, which are Emma or Choi, which is great for wave clearing, Baek, which is essential for defense down and breaking, Seo, which provides a personal shield to keep you alive, and Dungso, which perfect for breaking gray shields like against the blue golem or mage. For weapons, you can prioritize this: the Plum Sword, Shadow Sight, and Demon King Longsword, which is amazing for the late game, and also the Tethys, which is specifically for Cerberus fights. If you don't pull any of these, don't worry because any SSR weapon can work. Just adapt to the situation. Some weapons, even if underrated, perform great depending on your team setup. So don't forget, as you progress through chapters, you will automatically get Kasaka's Dagger, Windshammer for shielding, and Shadow Sight. So aim to pull at least 3 SSR hunters first to round out your team. With this strategy, you're all set to dominate the game. Summon wisely and build a team that works best for you. And if you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.